Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier with DC signal and with AC signal as an input. This is the circuit diagram with inverting amplifier with DC input. In this circuit, we have used a 741 IC having plus minus supply of 12 volt, and R2 and R1 are the resistors connected to pin number 2, and pin number 3 is grounded. The output is connected, the output of IC is pin number 6, which is connected to the resistance R3 of 10 kilo ohm, which is a load. Here is a main concept, the virtual ground. When the pin number 3 is not physically connected to pin number 2, but the voltage is pin number 2 in adjustment of battery level, battery 1 is in such a way that pin number 2 is the voltage of pin number 2 is equal to 0, then it is called a virtual ground, which is not physically connected but it shows 0 voltage. In inverting amplifier, the concept is called virtual ground, and in non-inverting amplifier, this concept, when the potential of pin number 2 and 3 is exactly equal, then it is called virtual short, which is not physically internally connected, but it approaches the equal voltages. Gain of inverting amplifier is depends upon the resistance, feedback resistance R2 and R1. That is, and it is a non-inverting amplifier, so the output is negative. So we get minus R2 upon R1 as a gain of amplifier. As per our practical setup, here we have connected this resistance to the signal DC input to terminal number 2, which is non-inverting terminal, and 3 number pin is grounded here. Then we can observe the output. As I vary the input voltage, you can see the negative, the blue line is a input signal which is increasing 0 to 5 volt, and accordingly the output is which is in a yellow line, which is decreasing, means it is minus voltage, negative voltage. We can see now here we replace the DC source with a signal generator, and we are providing 1 kilohertz sine wave frequency. 1 kilohertz wave is provided to the terminal number and pin number 2 to this through this resistors, which are of 10k parallel to resistance, means it's equivalent to 5 kilohertz, 5 ohms, 5 kilo ohms resistance, and RF is 10 kilohertz, means R1 upon R2 is the ratio, means the gain is 2. So here we can observe the gain. We have provided signal is displaying in blue, which is 4 volt, and we are getting the peak to peak output voltage, which is shown in yellow color. It's 8 volt, 8.80. 4.4 volt is given signal of sine wave. We are varying the amplitude here, and you can observe the amplification is happened with the ratio of 2, and here we can observe the threshold, reaching the threshold voltage, and this upper upper and down wave is cutting due to the threshold. It reaches to threshold which we can observe this when the input peak to peak voltage is 10.6 volt. Above that it is getting chopped, means this is the maximum input output range where you can perform. Here I will remove one 10k ohm resistance. Now remain 10k and RF is 10k. R1 and RF ratio is now 1. Now we can get a waveform where the input is 3 volt and output is also 3 volt, means gain is 1. But you can see the main output performance, that is, see the what is inverting. See, this is in 180 degree phase of a given signal, exactly in 180 degree phase. This is what I am moving is input wave. You can observe the 180 degree phase shift here, means it is inverting amplifier. Thank you.